Hi crypto world traders, welcome to Hustling Tech. In this video, I will let you know the program that you can use to become a salary earner with your only community. Please follow me step by step to watch the process you can become a salary earner by BYDFi Army program. Please don't ever skip this video. I am betting it will help you. It's all about BYDFi Army program. Hope you follow me to the end of this video. BYDFi Army will help you to get a richer than your current level. In case you are yet to sign up into BYDFi, use the description of my video, copy my referral link to sign up. Here you can put your email address, then request an OTP. After, put your password, then copy my referral link and paste it here, then sign up to BYDFi. Now you can start and enjoy the hot welcome banners of $2,088. So as far as BYDFi affiliate marketing is concerned, so let us introduce BYDFi. So BYDFi is a leading cryptocurrency exchange established in 2020, offers suitable product for newbies to professional traders, and also BYDFi is suitable for both future trading, leverage trading, and other trading. So in this video, I will go to show you how you can use BYDFi affiliate marketing, how you can keep sharing your link. Now let's deep into the main program. BYDFi Army Partner Program. So when we say BYDFi Army Partner Programs, BYDFi Army Partner Program is a key to contribute for BYDFi. So there is just a 4 to 5 steps which you can use to join a BYDFi Army. The first step is join Telegram group, then sign up, fill out the form, and we are welcome you the about. So there is criteria which anyone you must follow to join BYDFi Army program. So the first one, you must have community groups. Then also you need to have a planned marketing event that meets the local users. Also BYDFi exclusive merchandise, BYDFi t-shirt and others. So I have said before, okay, there's arms and duties of BYDFi Army. So BYDFi Army is passionate, loyalty, marketing, and resourceable. So kindly use this opportunity to sign up into BYDFi Army on board. There is 3 steps you can follow. The first step is to join BYDFi Army groups by just clicking in the link above, or you can come back to my YouTube channel, description of last video that I have been uploaded, then click. After, the second step is to fill out the form. So inshallah in this video I will help you to fill out the form correctly. So after you have clicking the form link, so this is a simple step you can follow to fill your form correctly. So this is another clarification of BYDFi Army application. So also BYDFi, welcome to BYDFi, which is one-stop trading platform. So if you are yet to sign up into BYDFi, so use my referral code to sign up. So the first step you can use to follow is, after you have been clicking on the link, so you can put your first you must put your name correctly. Please don't ever to impersonate anyone. Use your just name, okay? Then you can use to provide a Telegram username. So like my own, it is this Ariotenki Escola. Okay. The third one is the referral link of a person that invites you into BYDFi Army. So use my referral code in this description of this video. I will drop the link. Okay. The third step, the fourth step is to provide your country or regions.
Of Africa. So now you can elaborate your trading experience breakdown. So my own is what for you. So please don't put anything to that. And again, when I warn you, don't ever impersonate someone in this platform, so you get banned automatically. Okay. For me, I have about 5 or 2 minutes experience in university. Okay. And also I am moderator of different rooms. So I am brothers here based on my technical analysis and driven view.
Okay, after you have done with everything, there is question here which you can use which you can answer. So then make sure you answer anything correctly based on your idea, okay? Based on the brief history for your past. Please don't ever try to lie, because nothing did lie. Okay. Okay, for me it is yes, this answer. And the second one is yes. Then do you have any trading experience? Do you have any suggestions? Yes, I have. As far as BYDFi P2P trading is available, so I can use to buy and selling with my ordinary, with my fiat, with no hesitation. Okay, after anything has been done, okay, you need to cross-checking correctly, then submit your form. So inshallah you get a review within a shortly. Yes, that is the as soon as you have been submitted, so you get a review in shortly. Yes, I hope this video is educated for you, and if you have any question, please DM me on WhatsApp or Telegram group. Thank you for your watching. Thank you for your idea. See you in the next video.